acacia trees.
But no beehives.
Are you sure you can't find any?
Yes. No. I don't know anymore. Maybe I'm not CLADE material after all.
CLADE agents never give up. There's gotta be a... Wait, listen. Sounds like buzzing bees to me.
Wait, I don't think... Never mind.
Indy, a good agent trusts their instincts.
Agent Snow! I don't think those are bees!
Yeah. Ah, flies.
Good instincts, Agent. Ma'am? Sir? Have you seen any bees?
Bees! Bees! Where? Hey!
Thanks.
Bees!
Calm down, please. Everybody calm down. Oops.
Never knew elephants were so afraid of bees. Everybody okay?
I'm fine, but we're still not any closer to finding my family.
CLADE agents never give up. Right, Agent Snow?
Huh? Where'd he go? Sam? Sam? Sam?
Kit! Indy! Better give them a call. Huh? Oh, that's just... delicious. Beatrice. Pardon me. Do you know this honeybee?
Oh, that's our Beatrice.
And you're her family.
Do you know where she is?
I do. Or I did. Would you excuse me a moment, please? Kit, come in, Kit. It's all honeyed up. There's no way to call Kit and Indy now, unless I use the honey guide bird call. One moment, folks. Okay, here goes. Come on, Sam. You got this. Sam, a creature case is on the line here. You can do this. I did it. I think I did it. Did I do it?
Wait. That's honey guide bird call!
Sam!
This way!
Mom! Dad!
Oh, honey, we were so worried.
We had to move fast when we ran out of flowers, and then we couldn't find you. Welcome home.
Nice work, Sam. You found Beatrice's family. And you finally got that bird call right.
I'm just glad Indy found me. Indy, you have the makings of a top-notch CLADE agent. Thanks for your help.
My pleasure, agents.
Thank you for helping our Beatrice. Would you care to stay for a bit of honey?
I thought you'd never ask. Tea time.
You had your tea set with you this whole time?
I never leave home without it. To another creature case, closed.